Seeing error network changed in Google Chrome? Don't worry, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it on Windows. Step 1. Restart your Wi-Fi router or modem. Then restart your computer. This resolves most temporary network glitches. Step 2. Clear Chrome cache. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots, then Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. Old cache can cause connection issues. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Proxy, and turn off any manual or automatic proxy settings. Step 4. Reset network settings. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and press Enter. Run these commands one by one. Restart your PC afterward. Step 5. Check firewall or antivirus. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software interferes with your connection. Temporarily disable them to test Chrome. Remember to re-enable protection afterward. That's it. Error network changed should now be fixed, and Chrome will load websites normally. Like and subscribe for more fast PC, browser, and app fixes.